INFOrmed Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today we are going to be talking all about how to get smooth, sexy, moisturized lips. I get a lot of questions on my lips and what I use to get them to look nice and smooth, as well as my technique keeps your lips moisturized for a very long time. Okay, so I think that how I layer my products, how I use my products are very key. So that is what I'm here to share with you guys today in this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, take a moment and go down and click that subscribe button. If you like this content, hit that thumbs up. Okay, give your girl a like. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the trio that I am currently using, and the trio that I'm currently using are these bad boys here. We will get into these individually in a moment. So first, make sure that your lips are as smooth as they can be. You want to start off with exfoliating. It is very important to remove that dead skin, okay? And you want to exfoliate your lips about once to twice out the week, depending. I currently exfoliate my lips only once out the week because my lips are pretty good. Sometimes I'll notice I have like a little dry patch here on my lip, and then I'll just go ahead and just exfoliate the whole thing. You want to make sure you are throwing exfoliation into your lip care regimen. A lot of people think by just throwing on a lip balm or a lip gloss or a lip moisturizer or even a lip mask is going to solve that problem. You're layering it on top of dead skin. And have you ever had where you put down a product or a lipstick on dead skin and you have like those patches? That's the problem you're going to have. So it's very important to start off with that exfoliation. Currently, and I believe this is going to be my only lover for a very long time, but this is the Hempz Sugar Cane and Papaya Lip Scrub. Let me tell y'all something about this. The fact that it comes in a squeeze top is what sold me. So it looks like a little balm applicator, okay? Now, the problem I was having with a lot of lip scrubs is when you try to go and dig them out of the actual like jar, you end up spilling them everywhere. It gets all over the place. The jar dries out quite fast. So I like the fact that it is in this tube. It just makes it more convenient. You can just squeeze it out directly onto your lips, onto your finger, and exfoliate your lip. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into a little bit more about this product. So this is the Sugar Cane and Papaya Exfoliating Herbal Lip Scrub, enriched with 100% natural hemp seed oil. And hemp seed oil has so many great benefits for the skin. I will list the benefits of hemp seed oil here, and also there will be another video where I would dive a little bit deeper on hemp seeds, so stay tuned for that. But pretty much how you would want to use this is that you would gently massage sugar scrub onto lips, then tissue off. Apply to lips as needed. This lip scrub is paraben-free, gluten-free, 100% vegan, and it is THC-Free. And so the ingredients in this, there are a lot of great ingredients like castor seed oil in here. They have shea butter. They have, I saw ginger in here. Yep, ginseng root. They have, yeah, they do have ginger. They have sunflower seed oil. There's like a lot of great oils in this lip scrub, and so I really enjoy this lip scrub. I like the conveniency of it. The thing about it is that you do have to shake it up, and I'm going to show you here in this video, in this clip of how I use it. You do have to shake it up and knead it a little bit to get the oil to mix with the sugar. If not, it can come out liquidy at first, so you just have to kind of like knead it and kind of like shake it up to like get the ingredients to mix, especially if it's been sitting in a certain like position for a while. But I love this stuff. It's convenient. It really just scrub. I like to use a makeup remover wipe to remove it. It's just better than just a tissue because it picks up all the sugar off your lip. And yeah, this one right here, I love it. Love it. This is one of my favorite lip scrubs. It just the conveniency of it being in a tube like a lip balm just makes exfoliating your lips so much easier, and it just makes you want to do it more. All links to products I talk about in this video will be down below. So next, after you exfoliate your lips, you get all that dead skin off, you want to make sure you are moisturizing, okay? Moisturizing is the next top thing you want to do. So I moisturize my lips every day, okay? Every day. I don't miss a beat. I throw moisturizing my lips into my skincare regimen in the morning. Put on my moisturizer. After I put on my moisturizer, I then go ahead and apply my lip balm, okay? And that just makes sure so that I don't miss the step and that it gives it time to like settle into my lips. The Current lip balm that I'm using is by Hempz as well, and it is the Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Hydrating Herbal Lip Balm. It looks like this. This stuff, you guys, smells amazing. You can really like smell that pineapple in there. So this again is you apply it to your lips as needed, and it is paraben-free, gluten-free, THC-free, and it has a lot of great benefits in it. As it has a lot of great ingredients in it as well, like shea butter and castor oil and jojoba seed oil and a lot of other oils in it as well. This stuff I love because I put it on, and my pet peeve with a lot of lip balms that you put it on and then 5 minutes later your lips are dry, like you didn't put anything on your lips. I do not like that. So the fact that this product here, you put it on, and I mean, I don't really apply it again until later on in the day. You know what I mean? And it's not really necessarily needed. But I do also feel that that is because I am consistent with my lip care. So my lips are very moisturized. They are very hydrated. But I do like that I don't have to use this every 5 minutes, because I don't like that either. Just like with your face care, if you're using something and you're not getting moisture from it, ditch it. Same thing with lip care, you guys. If this is not working for you, if you're applying a lip balm and it's like 10 minutes later you're dry and you exfoliate it, you might want to reconsider what kind of lip balm you are using. Okay? And of course, you can just go ahead and put on lip balm and go out your door. Your lips are still going to look amazing when you exfoliate them and you apply a moisturizer. But if you're somebody like me and you like to really make your lips like look amazing, and I really feel that glosses on some nice moisturized and exfoliated lips, glosses can take your lips to the next level. I personally like a simple clear gloss. I like my natural lip color, so I like to just really throw on a clear gloss, call it a day. You can throw on lipstick, a matte lip color, lip liner, whatever you choose, because whatever you lay down on top of your well exfoliated and well moisturized lips, it's going to look amazing. One of my favorite lip glosses right now is Ulta's brand lip gloss. They're jelly. I think it's called a lip jelly. This is my second tube of it. I love this stuff. Oh my goodness, you guys. Like, I didn't think that I would ever be like a fanatic over an Ulta brand or Ulta brand lip gloss, but you guys, this stuff, take a look at that. It gives you high shine. You get high shine, okay? Super high shine. It's not that stickiness, like it doesn't leave your lips sticky or weird feeling. If you put on too much, like I did go a little bit overboard, you will get those white things like in the corner of your mouth, so try not to put on too much. But with me, I'm a freaking fanatic for lip gloss, and I'm like, layer it on, you know? This stuff, I'm telling you, when you layer it on top of your moisturizer, that lasts on my lips for a very long time. Like, I don't retouch it until like maybe a couple of hours later, and sometimes it's more so because I don't realize that I don't have any lipstick or any lip gloss on because my lips are well moisturized. Okay, this stuff is called their jelly gloss, and they don't have a lot of like information on here, but the name of it is called Waves. It's just a clear gloss. They do carry this in so many other colors, and it's cheap and it works. And you guys, it's hard to find a gloss that you actually like. I've tried many of other glosses where they just didn't stay on my lips. They were too watery, or they were super sticky. They smelled funny. This one doesn't have a scent to it. Yeah, this one doesn't have a scent to it, and I like that as well, because I'm not a big fan of like scented lip care, like as far as like lip gloss and stuff, because sometimes they can start to smell a little you know, after a while. So those are some key tips on how to keep your lips looking moisturized, looking smooth, looking their best, because nobody wants crusty, dry lips. That is out. Okay, so just by implementing these tools and being consistent with it when it comes to your lip care regimen, your lips will look so much better. I will put up a nighttime skincare routine for my lips, because what I do with my lips at night versus during the day is a little bit different, and I will definitely share that with you guys in a later video. But make sure you go and check out everything in the description box. Everything I talked about in this video and all information will be down below for you to go and check it out. And if you are not subscribed, once again, make sure you subscribe and thumbs up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye.